Today we will be talking about the remedies of common cold and cough. Common cold, also known as acute coryza, is an inflammation of the upper respiratory tract and is caused by the infection by any of the more 200 viruses. The common cold is a viral infection with no cure. The first signs of a cold are a feeling of soreness of the throat or maybe congestion of the nasal passage. You can get relief from the symptoms by taking rest, staying hydrated, using humidifiers and steam, gargling salt water, trying honey for cough. There is no cure for cold as such. It is relieved naturally within a week. The cold is treated by attempting to relieve its symptoms such as headache, stuffy nose, and congestion, consuming ginger, turmeric milk, black tea prepared with black pepper powder, dry ginger powder, and few basil leaves. This tea can be taken 3 to 4 times a day to get relief from stuffy nose, headache, and sore throat. One amla, that is one gooseberry, if eaten twice a day, which is very rich in vitamin C, helps in strengthening the respiratory immunity. Another simple home remedy is milk with turmeric. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of hot milk. Add little sugar to it and drink it thrice a day. Coughs should not be suppressed. In chronic coughs, crush 1 to 2 garlic cloves and add it to a glass of milk. Boil the milk till half of the mixture is left. Consume half of this milk in morning and the other half in the evening. Do it for a week. 5 ml of onion juice, well mixed with 10 ml of pure honey, should be taken twice a day for 10 days. Steam inhaling of turmeric in water is good in controlling cough. Ginger is also an excellent food remedy for colds and cough. Little ginger should be thoroughly crushed and boiled in a cup of water. Little sugar can be added to it. It should be drunk while it is hot. Yoga asanas such as Bhujang asana, Shalbhasan, Dhanur asana, and Vajra asana should be done for better results. Pranayams like Kapalbhati and Anulom Vilom should be done. A teaspoon of honey, especially in warm water or tea, acts as a natural cough suppressant and soothes the throat. To clear nasal passage, add few drops of eucalyptus oil to the boiling water and the steam should be inhaled. Caffeine and alcohol should be avoided as it worsens dehydration. If the symptoms persist for more than 10 days and if fever is high and breathing becomes difficult, you should seek medical attention. This is Bright Lifestyle. Thank you for watching.